So this is the inside of my PS4 Pro. Well, it's not inside, so now I need to open it up and see how I can clean it. I tried to play my PlayStation after a very long time. I haven't touched it, and for some reason it wouldn't recognize any of the discs I tried to insert in order to play this baby. So I think the problem is probably with the Blu-ray inside. So I have never opened a PlayStation console before. In fact, I've never opened any game console before. And for the first time, I'm going to try to open this PS4 Pro to see what's inside and why it is acting the way it is acting. So where do you open this up? Where is the opening? I don't know if I'm going to end up breaking my PS4, but PS4 Pro, but I'm going to try anyways. Sorry, I'm going to take off my clothes because I'm already sweating. Finally. Alright. So this is the inside of my PS4 Pro. Well, it's not inside, so now I need to open it up and see how I can clean it. Blu-ray.
Thank you.